How to enable Dolby Atmos sound on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guide studio, and today's guide I'll show you how you can enable and experience the Dolby Atmos sound on any Samsung Galaxy smartphone. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to enable the Dolby Atmos sound, you just need to go and open up the settings app from a Samsung phone and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration settings. Now once you're here inside the sounds and vibration, you just need to scroll all the way to the very bottom and you'll get to see the options sound quality and effects. You just need to tap on these. Inside this one, you'll get to see the first option, Dolby Atmos. Make sure your phone does support the Dolby Atmos feature. I'm using my phone and the Dolby Atmos is available on my phone, so you have to just enable this feature, and from now the Dolby Atmos sound you will experience on your phone. And this is how you can actually enable and use the Dolby Atmos sound on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope you found this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.